Alright folks, so it seems like the global oil prices have officially entered drama mode. So picture this, right? Prices are going up, tensions are high, the Middle East right now is looking like a set of geopolitical soap opera. So what exactly is happening in the news? I mean, you've seen the news, what is happening between Israel and Iran, but how does it affect you? Hello, and welcome to Daytopia Wealth and Research, where we turn your everyday news to financial opportunities. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and give us a follow. My name is Dr. Yusuf. I'm a financial expert. I'm a qualified financial advisor and a chartered accountant for over a decade. But disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. First of all, make your own research and consult a financial advisor. So let's get right into it. So what's exactly happening in the news? Well, let's just say crude oil prices have decided to go on a joyride. Brent crude oil, for instance, increased over 8% last week. Meanwhile, WTI has also inclined over 9% last week. So what's behind this price roller coaster? Well, it's a thing between Israel and Iran. So let me give you the skinny. Iran attacked Israel, and Israel now said, we've seen your missile attack and we plan to retaliate in a very big way. When you think about it, Iran is the 9th largest oil producer in the world, and they're serving up to 4% of the global oil supply, which makes them a pretty big fish in this oil field pond, right? So think about it. If Israel is going to attack Iran, of course they will go for their most sensitive asset, which is their oil infrastructure. Right, that's not where it ends. If Iran decides to retaliate, they might actually go for the oil refineries in Saudi Arabia, and that makes up about 15% of the world's oil supply. So now you're seeing it in a different perspective, right? That 15% of the world's oil supply is actually at risk. Still end there. Iran could actually go a step further by blocking the Strait of Hormuz, which is a critical pathway for nearly 1/3 of the world's oil supply. What that means is this disruption will make oil prices go up. So prices for gasoline, fuel, petroleum-based products like plastics, chemicals and fertilizers will definitely go up, and the cost of living for people will go up. So I will share all this story without telling you this is a financial opportunity. So it's with something called futures contract. So now that we've established that 15% of the world's oil supply is at risk, what you start seeing is some hedging behaviors. So you start seeing airlines buying oil futures just to hedge against expected rise in oil prices, so that they don't increase your flight tickets too much. Oil companies will also do the same, and manufacturing companies, just to set a price for the future. So for speculators who don't actually have physical oil but are looking to profit from the price movement, what they do is they'll buy future contracts with the hope of selling it at a higher price when the oil prices actually increase. Everything I've shared in this so far is just speculations. It's not actually happened yet. Brent crude oil is 8% already, so that is just market anticipation. So when it happens, oil prices might actually go a lot higher. This is not a financial advice, and futures contracts might have some other costs you have to bear in mind. But you can see how this is a financial opportunity. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, make sure you pop it down there. Hashtag either ask Dr. Yusuf or hashtag Daytopia Wealth and Research. I will be able to get back to you. If you have any financial news or any regular news that you want us to analyze, put it in the comments, send us an email, send us a message. Thank you very much for today. Keep a close eye on the markets and wish you all the best.